kind of scary. It picked up a lot of lint trapped in there.
Hey there, it's Christina from the DIYmummy.com. There's a lot of spring cleaning hacks on the internet, so it can be hard to find the ones that are actually effective. Here today are 10 amazing home hacks that I've tested and that actually work. Stay tuned to the end of this video to see some I tested that did not work. Let's get started. Use baking soda to refresh your mattress. Vacuuming your mattress helps get rid of any dust or allergens. After vacuuming with the mattress attachment on your vacuum, sprinkle some baking soda all over your mattress. Let it sit for 30 minutes and then vacuum it up. Baking soda helps get rid of odors and bacteria in your mattress to make it look and smell fresh. This works great. Clean window screens with a lint roller. Window screens can be hard to clean. I often use a brush attachment on my vacuum, but I find rolling them with a lint roller even more effective. You can use a lint roller for so many other things too. I like to use one to get rid of any lint on the linens at our vacation rental or to pick up any hair or dust on the floor or sofa. Freshen those cutting boards with lemon. To help remove food stains and smells from your cutting boards, cut a lemon in half and then rub the cut side over the board. You can even sprinkle your cutting board with baking soda first for even more cleaning power. Clean your dryer vent with this vacuum attachment. Did you know that the failure to clean clothes dryers is the leading cause of home clothes dryer fires? In the USA alone, 2,900 home clothes dryer fires are reported every single year. The best prevention for this is to get your ducts cleaned professionally, but you can also clean them in the interim with a special vacuum attachment. This simple plastic tube attachment from Amazon attaches right to your vacuum, and you can place it far down your dryer vent from the dryer side and from the outside vent side to clean out all of that extra lint.
Oh my gosh. That's kind of scary. It picked up a lot of lint trapped in there.
Use this portable cleaning machine to deep clean your sofa. I've had my Bissell little green machine for well over a decade, and it's a powerhouse when it comes to spring cleaning. You can use it to clean carpets and upholstery like sofas. It seriously blows my mind how much dirt I can get out of our sofa when I use this machine to clean it. I like to spray my upholstery first with the cleaning solution and warm water, let it sit, and then go over the area with the vacuum and more water.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. That is fascinating and also disgusting. After only maybe 4 months of use, a seemingly clean couch, look what we got out of it.
Freshen your drains with a baking soda mixture. To keep your sink and shower drains fresh and flowing freely, mix together half a cup of baking soda and a 1/4 cup of salt. Pour this down your drain and then follow with at least half a cup of warm vinegar. Let the drain bubble and sit for at least 10 minutes and then run hot water down the drain to freshen it up. Dust your TV screen with a coffee filter. Surprisingly, a simple coffee filter is actually a great tool to clean smudges, dust, and fingerprints from TV screens. The filters are nice and soft, so they shouldn't damage the screen. Make your grout sparkle with this vinegar mixture. For stubborn grout stains, a mixture of 2 parts warm water, 1 part vinegar, and a squirt of dish soap works wonders. Mix everything in a spray bottle, spray it on your grout, and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. Finally, scrub with a textured cloth or a brush and rinse. Use this method to clean your toaster. Did you know that your toaster has removable trays in the bottom for crumbs? It's embarrassing, but I didn't learn this fact until about 5 years ago. For a perfectly clean toaster, remove the bottom trays, dump those crumbs, and then wash the whole toaster and the trays with a squirt of dish soap and water. You can even use a toothbrush to get into the crevices. Just make sure your toaster is unplugged when you're cleaning. Refresh throw pillows with this clothes dryer method. Some pillow covers aren't removable, or the pillows can't be put in the wash for one reason or another. One good way to remove any dust or bacteria from throw pillows is to put them in a hot clothes dryer for about 20 minutes. I like to use the steam sanitary function on my LG dryer for an even deeper clean. You might be surprised how much dust will be in that vent catch after doing this. Now for some hacks that did not work for me. Do you remember the TikTok hack I tried a little while ago to clean a frying pan with baking soda, dish soap, and salt? I tried it again, but did it right this time by adding some vinegar at the end. Well, guess what? It still does not work. I'm going to keep trying different pan cleaning hacks though, and I'll keep you posted. I've read that wax paper is supposed to be a good product for cleaning both windows and chrome fixtures. When I tried, it was a total bust. I'm going to stick to a microfiber cloth instead. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found these tips helpful. Let me know down in those comments below which of these cleaning hacks is your favorite and which one you're going to try for spring cleaning this season. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more DIY and home decor videos. I'm going to leave some more videos that I hope you will enjoy and watch next right in that top left corner.